Hi, happy Friday, Falcon families. This is Miss Bajorquez, and I just want to reach out and say how happy I am to hear and see some of you through our social media or email. And I hope that you're all staying healthy and being well. I wanted to take a minute and kind of walk you through the Distance Learning website and kind of the flow of work that your kiddos should be doing every day. So, hopefully, you've already seen the middle school distance learning website here. The website is posted on our regular school website as well. Right here, it's a bit.ly 3DQ capital STM7. Every day, your student needs to start here. You should always start at this distance learning website because things may change. We have a great video here done by Miss Lamb to show you the expectations. But for example, today is Friday, and Friday is Student Choice Day. And so we posted some new kind of fun information and activities for kids to do. The schedule is also here on the homepage. And then our amazing ASB is doing a daily announcement every day, a video announcement from home. If you have questions about food services, the schools are listed here. Also, if you need internet, information is there, and then how to reach me or anyone else. So this should be the first stop that your students go to. Then they need to visit the grade level tab up top. And here you'll see buttons for every teacher who teaches that grade level: core, math, science, PE, and electives. And your student should visit every teacher's website every day. So I'm going to start here with Miss Driscoll just because she's in the middle. And you can see she has a website as well. Her office hours are posted there as well as her email address. And then she has some distance learning information. You can set up appointments, or your student can set up appointments with each teacher using Calendly. There's information here for reading, and then links to her Google Classroom for every student. But most important, go to the grade level and you'll see a lesson posted. So it's really, again, important that you follow the flow of first visit our distance learning website, then visit the teacher website because lessons will be posted here. So here's her agenda for Friday. Every day, teachers will post on their websites. So you can see some of the things that she posted there. And then step 3 would be to visit each teacher's Google Classroom. So please make sure that your child is going through each of those steps every day. First, visit the Distance Learning website. Second, visit each teacher's website. And third, visit each teacher's Google Classroom. And that would be able to know exactly what's expected from each teacher every day. I do want to just break down for you parents a reminder that we aren't asking students to do something for every class every day. So again, go back to our distance learning website and you'll see Mondays and Wednesdays, these classes are expected to do work. And then Tuesdays and Thursdays, these classes are posting lessons and work. And then Fridays are student choice days. So students can catch up on assignments or do anything that they want to learn or explore. And teachers will have office hours every day. So if you need help, if you have questions, or you just want to say hi, please make sure that you're signing up. If you have any other questions or you're still confused, you are welcome to reach out to me. Here's my email, hbajorquez@tustin.k12.ca.us. You can also reach out to Miss Lamb, Mr. Meno, or Ms. Torres, and any one of us can help you out. But we hope that you are enjoying some time together as family. We hope that you are staying healthy. And if you need any assistance with anything, please don't hesitate to reach out to us. We're here for you, even though we're not physically at school. We're here for you for anything you need. Thanks so much. Have a happy Friday.